Hi guys, I'm cooking some barbecue ribs today. So this I'm just checking to see if it's a little bit tender, but I'm gonna put back in the oven. So when it's finished, then I put the barbecue sauce and I put on the grill. Then I show you guys how they look like the finished product, okay? Oliva, ó. Carne de porco aí, ó. Tá vendo? Colocar pra cozinhar mais. Olha o tamanho. Hi guys, now it's cooked. The barbecue is cooked. But I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce on there now. And later, or when we're going to eat, then I put back on a grill. Okay, let me get the barbecue sauce, show you how it look like. I got some, let me show you. That's how they look like. And I'm going to use this one for heritage. I never used this one before, but I'm gonna try now. What you guys doing this weekend? It's so hot outside. It's too hot outside. I think it's like 100 degrees here in South Carolina. The only thing to make you want to go is to the pool. I'm gonna put a lot of barbecue because my husband's from Tennessee, so. Should be juice and sweet. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna turn. Gotta turn to put on the back side. This is a big ribs, a very big one. I want to make sure everywhere, all the part of